And here's your orange hose. These ferrules are a little tight, but they did seem to insert fine. Usually we like to see about a 20 thousandths clearance. You may have to use lube if that gets tighter. It's best to kind of have everything straight as possible. Yeah, I see that one didn't insert 100%. That's because the ferrule was too tight. Oh. I just put some water lube on there. So you could just use lubricant like